Good morning, Project Wreck fans, and today is indeed a good morning. It's the start of the week. I have the week off, and mainly because got a shed, and the shed has just been delivered. This is our Tiger shed that we've ordered. It's quite large. We've got extra beam over there, 2 lots of felt, a red bag full of I don't know what, and then to go with the shed we also have the shed insulation and some shed shed protection, wood protection spray, and then we've also got some stands which are back there under my toolkit. So we're fully equipped, but job one is to spray all of this with some wood protection, hopefully before that calms down. It's been like this all day. It's been like this all month, to be honest. Anyway, let's get on with some work. So what do we get as our Tiger shed? Well, we get these soffit boards and edging boards. Obviously all the soffits are all pre-cut to go around the roof. This is the back end. We've also got obviously the front end, then the next one's down to the floor, and then if we carry on down the stack, there's all of this. These end panels are going to be a bit tricky, but we'll deal with that later. We get an enormous bag of nails, bolts, and screws and tacks. We get whatever's in this little box, a couple of keys for the front door, we get a frame over here, and we get some felt. So yeah, that's the kit. It's now time to open this and figure out how we spray stuff. So this is the wood preservative I've gone with. It's stuff called Roxil. It's got a pretty good rating, everybody. We just need to get this into here, so big funnel, get it in the sprayer, and then we're off. Well, quelle surprise. It's raining. Time to start spraying for a bit. Well, that's that. That's as far as we've gone. We had one rainstorm, which hasn't helped the wood preserver, but essentially what's happened is we've run out. So I've done, this is a roof panel here, so I've done all the roof panels. They've all been coated on both sides, and then everything in this stack has been done, although I think these 2 side panels need to be done again. Everything else looks pretty good, to be fair. It's all got this slightly bronzy colour to it. So the roof panels are done. I spent a lot of time doing the floor panels, which this is one here, which is a bit silvery here, maybe one more coat, but I've given it a good handful of coats on it. But all in, yeah, it's a pretty decent looking shed. So anyway, that's it for Monday. There was nothing more we can do today. We've run out of supplies, so I have to catch you up on the next one, which will be tomorrow. See you then. Bye.